to the Galactic Federation Prisoner Teleport Center. I commend you for making the brave decision to join our noble ranks as guards. The universe is filled with a wonderful integration of alien societies. However, as in all societies, there are the nice and the naughty. Here is where we teleport in the naughty. Your job is to guard them until they have decided to become nice. I will now leave you under the capable supervision of Captain Gantu.
At ease, recruits. As you will soon discover, being a guard of the Galactic Federation is not without its challenges. Now, I realize this is your first day, so I will give you to the end of your shift to familiarize yourself with all of our prisoners. Memorize their names and their faces. Your life may depend on it. All right, recruits. Proceed to our prisoner teleportation chamber for further briefing. Legally?
At your service, Captain. Attention, recruits. The access doors will open in 5 seconds. So be ready to march inside. On the double! March all the way across the prisoner teleportation chamber.
Step lively. Come on, move it down. Move this way. Come on, move it.
Recruits, it is very, very important that you fill in all the rows and be sure there's adequate room for everyone.
Okay, let's fill in both rows, okay? Come on, move it and make room. Hello, Sergeant's desk. Oh, hi, sweetie parts. What's that? Yeah.
Make sure now you position yourselves for the best view of the chamber. And the sergeant.
2 quarts of oil, a loaf of lamb.
He's the one in the middle wearing a hat.
Yeah.
That is all.
Look, hon, I gotta go. But yeah, we're really busy here today. Okay, bye-bye. Mwah. Thank you. Let me introduce myself. I am the Prisoner Teleportation Officer, Sergeant C4703BK2704-90210. So, to start, prisoners come in 2 types, your level 1s and your level 2s. Now, you people are not ready for level 2s, so we'll start with the ones, common criminals of the cosmos. Like this hairy hoodlum over here. He's in for jaywalking between the moons and Jupiter. When perpetrators like him are caught, they are teleported here into one of these tubey things. And then they have to deal with me. Perfect! Here comes another one. Ah, Lieutenant Sledge. What have you got?
We've had another situation in the Galactic Federation bakery.
Oh, not the donut guy again.
Yep. Had him sucking the goop out of all the jelly wormhole donuts.
Oh. When are you guys gonna send me some level 2s for a change?
Not today, 90210.
Oh, look at you. I like your uniform with those bangs. Now you're very good. Oh, you should be ashamed of yourself, you gas bag. Well, I have no choice but to send you to your cell. And this time, with no milk. Do you understand? What's that?
Sergeant, we have an incoming level 3.
Level 3?
Pull yourself together, man.
I think I just oiled myself.
Sergeant.
Sir.
I don't know what kind of monster they caught out there, but we'll have to move to the high-security level 3 teleportation chamber.
But it's their first day, and they're not even trained to handle level 1s yet.
Sergeant?
Sir. Yes, sir. Okay, don't people panic.
Great.
I mean, go that way. No, that way.
You too, Sergeant.
Me? No, I would love to go, sir. I really would, but I can't.
Sergeant,
Sir.
I'll meet you in the high-security chamber. That's an order.
Yes, sir. But something big is on the way. Something level 3 big. Oh, yeah. I think
beats you, recruits. Now move it!
All guards report to the high security level 3 teleportation chamber immediately. All guards to level.
1 minute to level 3 teleportation.
Again, two. The recruits are in position and ready.
The question is, are we ready? I only hope our teleportation tube is big enough to contain this monster.
And strong enough too, sir.
Teleportation in 30 seconds.
Lower the scanners, quickly!
Yes, sir.
Please remain seated in an upright position with your arms at your sides.
And don't worry, recruits. When the scanning units touch your shoulders, they will stop automatically.
We are now scanning your personal genetic code so the tracking cannons don't confuse your DNA with the prisoners.
Teleportation sequence initiated.
Wow! The molecular transfer gauges are maxing out.
What kind of monster is this?
Teleportation in 10, 9,
Get ready, recruits.
7, 6,
Here we go.
4, 3, 2,
Brace yourself.
teleporting now. Teleportation sequence completed.
There must be some mistake.
That's a level 3.
Even I'm bigger than he is.
Is this some kind of a joke?
Sir, I know that all incoming level 3 prisoners get a DNA scan, but him?
It does seem like overkill, but we best do it by the book.
Yes, sir. Tracking cannons online.
Well, isn't that cute? It's a cute little fella. Yes, you are. Recruits, keep your eye on this little monster while I go straighten all this out. Number
20%.
What's going on? The cannons are misfiring.
How is that possible?
It seems to be something the prisoners do.
I can't believe it! They're shorting out the system!
Shorting up the system?
The prisoners escaped! Attention, recruits! Stay where you are! And,
Don't let the prisoner out of your sight.
Come on, Gecko! We've got to get to the power grid!
Yeah, we'll be right back.
3. What is going on in there?
We've lost power.
Well, get it back.
and, sir?
What?
The prisoner is loose.
What? get you in your little trouble. Where is he? Any idea where he is?
No, sir.
I think he got the jump on us, sir.
Oh no.
He's torturing the recruits. Captain!
Oh, this is really bad.
Teleportation in 15 seconds.
Someone has programmed your teleportation.
That's impossible. For
How could this be happening?
He hotwired the control, sir. What?
Track him on galactically. I want to know where that monstrosity is headed.
Sir, he's headed for planet New York.
Yes, and he's landing in Florida.
Florida? What's Florida? Give me a visual.
It appears to be some kind of kingdom.
Hello? Cinderella? Your prince is here.
You're not my prince. Bye.
Where on earth has he gone now?
Well, looks like we've been licked, sir.
What a day. Release the recruits.
Yes, sir.
I need a vacation.